Welcome guys, today I am with the VIVO smartphone and I'm going to show you how you can use camera pro mode. To open the pro mode you have to go for the more, select pro, and right now we can find here a few parameters that we can adjust automatically and manually. But at the first I can recommend you to tap on this information icon, and when you make it you will get description of each feature, but actually it's into Chinese, so that's not the best when you have the phone without the translation, but still you got here the difference with each parameter. So there's the difference in the ISO, the same with the shutter speed, and you got here the preview of description. But just to show you how it works, take a look. The first one is the exposure compensation. With this parameter we can go to plus or -3 and we can change the brightness level. Another one is ISO, it's also responsible for brightness level. And another one is the shutter speed that we can get for the 32 seconds. And take a look how we can adjust the brightness when you set, for example, shutter speed like that. As you can see, with this exposure compensation you can adjust it. The same, for example, when you set the high shutter speed you can change it, the value with the ISO and with exposure compensation. Okay, let's go for automatic value. Another one, it's the white balance, few presets. We can also make it manually, move the slider. This one is the focus. You can reset parameters by tapping right here. In this space we can also change photo format. We can enable flashlight. And right here we can also add camera timer, disable or enable the grid lines and camera leveler. You can also get the watermark here. And I think that's all for this pro mode and this VIVO iQOO 5 device. If you find this video helpful, just remember to like, comment and subscribe.